Assalamu alaikum. Students, I hope you are fine. So in class we were doing exercise 1B. We were on question number 6. Some parts I have solved and few questions I have given you in homework. Now I want to revise the concept of this question because it is a little bit a tricky question. So I am explaining again. Question is this: given that the equation of the line presenting each of the following line graph in the form of y is equal to mx plus c. This is the equation of line y is equal to mx plus c. General equation. Find the gradient in slope. It is represented by m and state the y-intercept. So in this equation, m is the gradient and c is the y-intercept. You have to find this value. I just add the data. Gradient you have to find, y-intercept you have to find. Now we will use the formula for gradient, and that is m is equal to vertical change and horizontal change. So vertical change is rise and horizontal change is run. So I write this formula over here. This graph is given. By using this graph, we have to find these two gradient and y-intercept. So for this, you have to take this is in blue. It is given. The diagram, this graph is given in blue. So there is a straight line, and it's the linear graph. So we have to choose any two points, reliable points. On this line, which will be which will be easy for you now. So I take this point, and this point. Why I take this point? If I take this point, if I get the x-axis, then I take point here. Then axis value for the y-axis will be difficult for us. So I take easy point like opposite. This 2 is y-axis, this 2 is on x-axis, and it's corresponding this 2 point exact opposite to the y-axis, and its point is 6. So I take exact points, which is easy for me to solve. So one point I take this, and one point I take this. This is this point, and here x value is 0 and y value is 3, and here x value is 2 and y value is 3. You know, in coordinates first x come and then y. Okay. Afterward, I have already written the formula. Just put the values. So vertical change is rise. I told you. So vertical change happens. First, this y-axis was there and it moves to upward. So, first y value was 3, now y value is 6. So, I will write first greater value, then small value. 6 minus 3, change with difference, so that's why I minus it. So, 6 minus 3 is 3. Similarly, for horizontal change, first x value 3, 0 and then 2. So I take first greater value first, 2 minus 0, so 2 to count. I write the values, rise is 3 and run is 2. It is given in, the answer is given in the book in improper fraction, but you can write in decimal. In this way, you have to write inside this 3 and 2 outside. 2 1 are 2, minus 3 2, minus 1 point. And then put 0, it becomes 10, and you find the 10. In decimal, it comes in this way, and if you write answer in mixed fraction, so this will be like this. 2 1s are 2, minus 1. You will write this value as whole number, and this comes as denominator, and remainder becomes your numerator. So answer given in your book is this, but you have to know that how to write this in decimal as well as in improper fraction. So remaining parts of question number 6 is your homework.